in this video we are going to do an unboxing and review of a backup LED lamp from the company Philips, which can give you a power backup of up to 4 hours on a power shortage or power cut. So this is how the package looks like. It has a 2200 mAh lithium ion battery, and here if you see the price they are showing is about $599, but from a local shop near me I got it around $399. Compared to many other LED backup lamps, it's a bit expensive, because in the local shops if you want you can get it for like some 250, 150 also something starts, but they are local LEDs. In that you have to turn the physical switch on the bulb itself, but in this one if the electricity goes off the bulb automatically turns on, but the brightness will decrease a little bit. When the electricity is there, the brightness will be comparatively more, and once the electricity goes off it decreases a little bit. And for switching off you have to just switch off the wall power switch, the switch which is present on the wall, and there is no physical button present on the switch itself. So without wasting any more time, let's open the product. So this is how the product looks like. Just you can see a bulb which looks like a normal bulb. There is no physical buttons, nothing is present on the bulb itself. There is a brand logo and a QR code, and for the validity purpose the local shop owner has written the date on top of the bulb. It has 1 year warranty, and from the bottom also it looks like a normal bulb. And one more unique thing which you can see in this bulb is, as I told, there is no physical button on top of the bulb, and to turn on the bulb in a power shortage you have to just power on the switch on the wall. So if you take any conductor, just like a metal object, and you short both the terminal at the bottom of the bulb, it will turn on its backup mode. I'll show you in a minute. So here what is happening is, the metal works as a switch which turns on the bulb on its power backup mode. The brightness of the bulb in the power backup mode is pretty good and bright, but the brightness will be comparatively less than the normal mode, which means when the bulb is in the electricity mode and directly connected to the AC current, it has more brightness, and once it switches to the battery mode, the brightness decreases to half of its brightness. So now the bulb is in the normal mode where electricity is there, and for turning off I just have to switch off the power button or the switch. So now I have switched off the main power supply, and this is the brightness of the backup. So brightness is bit less, but it can't be noticed in the video. So, and once see the electricity turns on, it automatically comes back to the normal mode, and once I turn off the main power supply, it automatically switches to the low brightness mode. Now I have turned off the main power supply and it has switched to the dim mode. Now the electricity has came back, so it just switches to the normal mode. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.